Suppose if you want any outer shape of any 3D model, suppose outer shape of this 3D model on this plane, how do you do that? Before I do anything, I just want to tell you this is 3D part, and you may think, how do I do this thing? You don't need to understand anything right now, because after doing this sketch course, you can start the SolidWorks part essential course. In that essential course, you will get all necessary information to make the part. Now in the drawing, in this tutorial, I need this outer shape on the surface. How do I do this thing? Maybe I can create a sketch by this way. Maybe I can create this thing by this way. So if there is nothing problem with this thing, the problem is just imagine how much time I spend to make this drawing. There is another way. I just roll back only this sketch. Now there is one tool that is called convert entities. By there, using that tool, you can do this thing very easily. Suppose this is convert entities. When I activate this convert entities, before I activate this convert entities, I have to go inside the sketch. First I go inside this sketch on this plane. Then I need this outer shape. So first I activate this convert entities. I can select this full face, or suppose I select this full face and press OK. You can see just by one click I created this full drawing. Or if you want, you can select just entities one by one. Both are the same thing, but sometimes you may need just only one or two. Click OK. So by this way, you can convert your entities very easily. I select the face, or there is one more choice here. If I select the chain, suppose I select the loop. If I select the loop, it will select this full loop. And when I press OK, this shape will be created on this plane very easily, and it will save you lots of time. And not only this will create your outer shape of this 3D model, but also it creates a relationship. This relationship is called on-edge relationship. What does this thing do? Suppose I go out from the sketch and I want to make a small change. In this case, this is 300. If I make this 180 and press OK, you can see this will automatically update this sketch. So by this way, you can use this convert entities to convert your shape, or any complex shape. You can also convert this thing. Suppose you work with the surface, in that case you can convert lots of complex shape as well.